Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to set up your new console. The first thing you're going to want to do is get organized. And by get organized, what we mean is stage your boxes so that you can easily access the pieces you need in the order that you'll need them. With the email that told you that your console had shipped, you will have seen a PDF of the drawings and a packing list. Each of the drawings are color coordinated to identify which boxes contain the contents for each console. Each box has a corresponding color associated with it, as well as a detailed packing list stating the items that are in it. So a quick tip is, if you don't have a lot of room and you need to stage your boxes in a different location, the best way to do it is to set your boxes in the order in which you're going to be using them. So you want all of your boxes containing your base cabinet components closest to the door, and your countertops and accessories the farthest from the door. So let's get started with base structure. Today we're going to be assembling a MasteRail console. All of our MasteRail consoles have base structure that either consists of full bases, no bases, or a combination of bases and clear space. The console we're going to be building today has a combination of base cabinets and modesty panels. So let's start with our base cabinets. When we ship your console, the base cabinets are usually pre-assembled in groups of 1, 2, or 3, depending on the layout of your console. We do this so that the base cabinets fit easily into freight elevators and can be easily carried by 2 people. Once you've identified which boxes have the parts you need, and you have all of your base structure components unwrapped, you're going to want to start by placing your bases. While MasteRail consoles are designed to be strong enough to be moved as a whole, it's a lot easier if you get them in the close to right place when you're getting started. So let's get our base cabinet in place. Now that you have your first base cabinet in place, we're going to put in our cross members and modesty. We're going to start with our modesty panels and then do our cross members. If you have someone to help you, you can have them hold it for you while you do it. But if you're working solo, it's easy to just lay it on the ground. Take your modesty panel, line up the glide on the bottom and slide it in. Once it's in, you can just tilt the stanchion up like that, walk over here, find your glide, and slide them in. Just like that. Nice and easy. Once your rear modesty's in, you want to put in your cross members. You can start with your rear cross member and then move on to the front. Now, the cross members go in together with a pressure fitting, so if they're a little tight, don't be afraid to use a mallet for a little bit of encouragement. And you're in. Just like that. Now your cross members are in, you put in your front modesty. Simply line up your clips. And drop it on in for a nice snug fit. Once your cross members are in place to your stanchion, you're going to want to replace the set screws that you removed to put in your cross members.